To download the Wordfence plugin, you need to go to here, just type the word, and you get this Wordfence security plugin. You just have to install this. I'm already installed in my PC, so I just go to this plugin directly. As you can see, this is the page where the WordPress dashboard will be there, Wordfence. Once you activated this, once you activate Wordfence plugin, so you need to configure here. As you can see, this is one of the PHP setting. It's called auto prepared file, which ensures it runs before potentially vulnerable code runs. So it detects it automatically which type of the PHP code and cache which is using in your server. So you need to be continuing here. So before do that continue, you need to download the .ht access file or .user.ini. So if anything goes wrong, so you can re-update that files to in your root folder and get back to this original form of the setting. So this is a firewall, brute force protection, 100%, real-time IP blocking. So everything will be shows up here. And the scan side, so I just put the scanning onto this. So as you can see, the scans has been going on. So issue found in somewhere, it is a critical. So we can click onto this. As we can see, the debug log is publicly accessible and may expose source code sensitive information. We have to go here and fix this file. So it shows a critical, and one more is scanned here. 6 paths were skipped for the malware scan due to scan setting. This is having a low, which we can currently we can ignore it. And further, the tools, in this sections we see the number of visitors which they are trying to access our website. Some people are the real human which they are visit our site for the information, and some are the bots, or some of the threats also will be shown up here. That's what type of it is: location, page visited, IP address, host name, response, view, everything can be seen here. And in this one we can check out the IP addresses, whatever the IP which has been repeatedly visiting our sites, and if it is a bot also we can check it out from where this IP has been showing up on the website. And login security, this is having a very secure login, so where you can use this scanning this stuff, and you can also get into the best safer security for this. And also it having an authenticator app, which is you need to just download it and keep this numbers onto your phone. And all the options, there is plenty of options which is which is available on the Wordfence. You just have to go and see the WordPress license. Everything can be seen here. As of now, this is not required for us. Our main thing is like a firewall, scan, and tools. We just have to go to scan. Let's see, is there anything which is fetched here? So it didn't fetch much of things. So the scan is completed. As you can see, there's only 2 files is detected here. So this we need to go and just fix this. Like we have to stop the access to this publicly. That has to be done on the separate file. That's only 2 files is detected. So somehow when you do it on your WordPress, same thing. So the scan report will be shown up here. And if I go to the tools, so it's the request has been not yet started. So number of the visitor wherever they have been reaching to your site will be shown up here. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below.